Hey, if you don't already know, what are you even doing? You're missing out. This is Trending Now, episode 15. I'm Mehul. Let's dive right in. Okay, the first one. We're going Gaga over Lady Gaga because the queen, the mother is back and multifaceted as usual, as we expected. Of course, she has been teasing her new music, her 7th edition of a studio album that is about to release, and of course, a beautiful tour and a blockbuster movie. Oof, can we get enough of Lady Gaga? No, we can't. The answer is no. And it was amazing. Brilliant soundscape, avant-garde costumes, and outrageous visuals. Lady Gaga, exactly to the T. The best part, Lady Gaga teased new album. Yes, the end of the concert ended with Lady Gaga exiting the stage saying, "I fucking love you." And then the screen showed LG7 Gaga returns. Oh my god. As Gaga's character in American Horror Story, The Hotel, the bitch is back, she says. And she is, truly. Oh my god. And don't even get me started on her character as Harley Quinn, Joker, Folly Do, October 4th. Make sure to go watch it. Moving on. So, while one queen's pop stardom is on the rise, we see that another queen's is on a downfall. While this makes me really sad to talk about, J-Lo, yes, I'm talking about J-Lo. While the marriage disaster speculations are ongoing, she also did a flop with her upcoming release and This Is Me and This Is Me Now tour. The tickets are barely selling out, which is putting in jeopardy her $90 million Las Vegas residency deal. It was about to close and now it looks a little shaky. All we can hope for is she gets through this in career ways and in her personal life as well. Hang in there. Moving on. Do you remember about this wave that took over the internet after the Met Gala and the 77th Festival de Cannes, where people were blocking out celebrities or influential figures for not having an opinion or a stand about the ongoing brutalism between the Israeli forces and Hamas? While it's completely okay to not have an opinion about something that we don't truly understand to the T or know about, it doesn't help to have millions and thousands of people following you and getting influenced by you to use the platform in the right ways. Coming to the point, I'm talking about REG. Although she was talking about a ceasefire from quite a while, she shared a link to the donation towards the Palestine Children's Relief Fund, which of course resulted in massive donations and a massive rise in the number of donations, which is a great thing for the children and their families that are facing such atrocities. Well, that's not it, because Jenna Ortega also then moved on to sharing the link. Now she has a permanent shareable link on her highlight, as well as multiple stories about supporting the cause. While we also saw Dua Lipa sharing a story about a permanent ceasefire after the atrocities that took over in Rafah between the Israeli forces and the people in Palestine, we really hope for the best for the children, the families, and everyone that are facing these hardships at such times. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Okay, bye for me.
One world, your station.